To change the layers of a roof, wall, floor, or ceiling, you just click on what you want to change, go to Edit Type, go to Duplicate and Rename, so New Floor, then you go to Edit Structure, and then this is where you can add your layers. So I need 3 layers, I currently have 1, so I've inserted 2 more. And now I need to move them up into place. So I want 2 white layers to go all the way to the top. So I'm going to go up, 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 up. Click on the layer and go up, up, up. Then I can change the function to match what I want it to be. So structure and structure. And then I'll change the thickness. Alright. And then the last thing to do is to change the materials. So I'm first going to find the structure wood joist, so I'll click on my 3 dots. You always want to check to see if Revit has already created it for you. So structure, and it's already there. Awesome. So I'll click on that and hit OK. And then my next one is plywood sheathing. Load that in, hit OK, and then your final finished material, anything in all caps, you will have to create a new material for. So I'm going to go create new material, make an identity, hardwood, or whatever you want to do. If you want carpet or whatever, name it that. Use render appearance, go to my appearance tab, and then I'm going to find hardwood flooring. I'm going to go to my appearance library, to flooring, and then I have all these different options here. Trying to see if they have any that do not have the orange exclamation points, but they don't, so I'll just pick one, load it in, hit OK, and now I have all of my layers. So now once I'm done, you'll notice you can see all my layers pop up.